Hey guys, Mr. Short here. This is the week of October 12th. As you can see here, this is October 12th, Computer Science Careers. This is actually the last week of this first 9 weeks. It's hard to believe, but we are already halfway through the semester. Okay, this week we're going to be talking about Computer Science Careers. If you go and look at the module this week, and you click on Computer Science Careers, it's going to give you your assignment for this week. You guys are going to be able to choose whatever career you want to choose as long as it has something to do with computer science. Okay, you're going to choose a career that interests you, something you're interested in, and make an informational PowerPoint about the career you choose. Okay, it's going to require 10 slides that you put clip art or pictures into, transitions, and correct spelling or grammar. Okay, make sure it's got correct spelling and grammar. Okay, here's a list of the slides that I'm gonna need to see in your assignment. You need a title page. Basically, it's your name and the career that you chose. Give me the next slide is going to be about the salary, how much someone in that career field makes. Then the job outlook and growth. What that means, the job outlook and growth means, what does it look like in the next 5 years, 10 years? The future of this career, what does it look like? Okay, are there going to be more jobs in 5 years or less jobs in 5 years? Education. What type of degree or education do you need to do this job? What do you like about this career? What do you not like about this career? That's the next slide. Then you'll do a slide about fun facts or things that you find interesting about this career. Then you'll do a slide talking about responsibilities. What are the responsibilities for doing that you would do if you had this career, or the responsibilities that you would have if you had this career? Then schedule. What would your schedule be like? Would it be a Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.? Would it be nights, weekends, full-time, part-time, remote? Would you telework? There's a lot of different types of schedules, especially in the computer science field, where a lot of times people are able to work from home. I want you to do a slide where you're talking about similar occupations. So give me 3 occupations that are similar to this. And then I want you to do a slide about uniforms. What do you wear when you're doing this job? Is there uniforms required? Is there a certain type of attire that you would wear when you're doing this job? Okay, so I'd like to see this submitted. I would like to see this submitted by the end of the week, Friday, okay, so we can get that graded, because grades are going to be due at the end of the week, because this is the end of the 9 weeks. Report cards will be going out soon, so we want to make sure that we get that submitted by Friday. Usually I give you till Sunday to get assignments due, or get assignments submitted, but this week we're going to do it by Friday. So the end of the day on Friday, I like to have this complete. So what does that mean? That means you cohort B guys, you're going to have till Friday, at the end of the day, or midnight Friday, to get this done. Okay, so you can start now, today, which is Monday, October 12th. You can start now and have all week to work on it. But if you don't start until you get to class on Thursday, that means you're only going to have a couple days to get this done. Okay, so I would advise you guys, especially you guys in cohort B, to go ahead and start working on this. Okay. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, reach out, and let me know. If you have any questions about grades, what's going on with your grade in Canvas or PowerSchool, just let me know. Well, like I said, this is the end of the 9 weeks, so report cards will be going out soon, and we will be finalizing grades for this 9 weeks here soon. So if you have any questions or you need any help with anything, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.